Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best folding electric bike review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Ridstar Folding Electric Bike. This bike packs a 1500-watt brushless motor with a 48-volt 15 ampere-hours removable lithium battery, delivering a top speed of up to 30 miles per hour. It's equipped with 20-inch fat tires and a strong aluminum alloy folding frame. The full front and rear suspension absorbs bumps easily, making rides smooth on city roads, gravel, and uneven surfaces. The fat tires provide excellent grip and stability. This electric bike a full charge in about 5 hours. You can ride 30 to 50 kilometers in pure electric mode and even farther using pedal assist. The battery is removable, so charging is quick and convenient. Safety comes from dual mechanical disc brakes, a 7-speed gear system, and 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and manual bike mode. The bike folds easily for storage or transport and includes an M5 LCD display, USB charging port, bright front light, and an adjustable seat. It's also 90% pre-assembled, so setup is fast. If you want a fast, powerful, and foldable electric bike for daily commuting or city riding, the Ridstar H20 is a strong and reliable choice. Number 4. Aliexpress EM20 Folding Electric Bike. This bike is powered by a 1000-watt brushless motor and reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. It features 20-inch fat tires, a strong aluminum alloy frame, and a quick folding design for easy storage. The EM20 delivers impressive torque and can easily climb up to 30-degree hills, making it perfect for city streets, slopes, and uneven roads. The fat tires provide excellent grip and stability. It comes with a removable 48-volt 15 ampere-hours lithium battery, offering up to 60 miles of range in pedal assist mode. The battery fully charges in about 5 hours and can be removed for convenient indoor charging. The bike folds in just 3 simple steps. No tools required. Once folded, it fits easily into a car trunk, apartment, or office corner, solving storage and parking problems. It also IPX5 waterproof rating, 5-speed gearing, and a 120 kilograms load capacity. This e-bike is built for daily use. It also includes a pump and tool kit right out of the box. If you want a powerful, long-range, and foldable electric bike, the Aliexpress EM20 is a great choice for commuters who want performance without sacrificing convenience. Number 3. Aliexpress G16 Foldable Electric Bike. The G16 features a peak 750-watt brushless motor, a 48-volt 15 ampere-hours removable lithium battery, and reaches a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. It's a compact 16-inch fat tire e-bike with a foldable design. This bike easily climbs up to 25-degree slopes and features multiple shock absorption, including front shock, mid-mounted suspension, and saddle shock, making the ride smooth even on rough roads. You get 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike mode, plus 3 speed levels, dual mechanical disc brakes, puncture-resistant fat tires, and bright front and rear lights keep you safe. The G16 folds easily with foldable handlebars, pedals, and adjustable seat, making it great for storage, car trunks, or apartments. If you want a powerful, foldable full-suspension electric bike for commuting or fun rides, the Aliexpress G16 is a solid and reliable choice. Number 2. Aliexpress F1L Folding Electric Bike. The F1L is powered by a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 7.5 ampere-hours lithium battery, delivering a top speed of around 25 to 29 kilometers per hour. It's designed for smooth, efficient city rides. You can expect a riding range of 31 to 60 kilometers. Depending on riding style and road conditions, the removable battery makes charging simple and convenient. This electric scooter 14-inch tires and a sturdy carbon steel frame. The bike offers stable handling and supports 2-seat riding, making it suitable for most adults. One of the best features is its foldable design. which makes it easy to store at home, carry in a car, or take on public transport. The electric assist provides smooth acceleration and controlled braking, making it beginner-friendly and safe for daily commuting. If you're looking for a lightweight, foldable, and efficient electric bike for city travel, the Erlife F1L is a solid option. Number 1. Aliexpress T11 Folding Electric Bike. This bike is powered by a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hours removable lithium battery, delivering a top speed of around 20 miles per hour and a riding range of 10 to 30 kilometers per charge. The battery uses high-quality cells and charges fully in 3 to 5 hours, making it perfect for daily use without long waiting times. It comes with front and rear disc brakes, a bright LED headlight, and a rear brake warning light, giving you confidence when riding day or night. The 14-inch tires combined with front spring shock absorption help smooth out bumps, while the strong carbon steel frame supports up to 150 kilograms. This e-bike folds easily for storage and transport. It also includes a front shopping basket, password lock, and tool kit, making it very practical for city riding. If you're looking for a compact foldable and reliable electric bike for short commutes or daily errands, the Aliexpress is a solid choice.